Well, ladies and gentlemen, the day has finally come where the FBI agents filed not one, but two lawsuits to stop Trump and his corrupt DOJ from committing retribution and lawlessness, firings, and illegal firings against current FBI agents. What all does the news say today? Let's figure that out in today's video. This article is by MSNBC. The article is titled, FBI Agents File Civil Lawsuits Against Trump's Attempted Purge, Citing Fears of Retribution. And the article reads, the Trump administration's apparent attempts to purge or retaliate against federal agents are moving closer to a court reckoning with the filing of civil lawsuits by current and former FBI employees who've taken legal action against the president's alleged retribution. In one of the suits, unnamed plaintiffs, fearing Donald Trump, said they worked on January 6th cases and the classified documents case, both of which implicated Donald Trump in federal criminal activity before his election led to the Justice Department dismissing the cases because of its long-standing DOJ policy against prosecuting sitting presidents, meaning that there is and ladies and gentlemen, the policy just means that they have to obey a policy, a long-standing DOJ policy, which means that it's not law. They legally really could have just continued prosecuting Trump even with the policy in place, because it's not law that the case had to be dismissed. Cases had to be dismissed. Continuing with the article. The plaintiffs said they intend to represent a class of at least 6,000 current and former FBI agents and employees. Upon returning to the presidency, the plaintiffs said in their complaint that was filed Tuesday, quote, Mr. Trump has ordered the DOJ to conduct a review and purge of FBI personnel involved in these investigations and prosecutions, end quote. a directive they called, quote, unlawful and retaliatory, end quote, and said, begin quote, violates the Civil Service Reform Act, end quote. Noting that employees were asked to fill out a January 6th related journey or survey, not journey. The plaintiffs said that they think it will be used to, quote, identify agents to be terminated or to suffer other adverse employment actions, end quote. And they said, begin quote, reasonably fear that all or parts of this list might be published by allies of President Trump, thus placing themselves and their families in immediate danger of retribution by the now pardoned and at-large January 6th convicted felons, end quote. The plaintiffs argue that gathering, retaining, and disclosing their activities related to Trump's acts violates their First Amendment rights as well as their Fifth Amendment rights and privacy rights. And they want the court to block the publication or dissemination of those surveys or any information from them. Quote, it has been widely reported that Elon Musk and persons working with him have recently attempted to access government databases that house personal information without regard to security protocols and without a legitimate business purpose, end quote, the plaintiffs noted in their complaint. Separately, the FBI Agents Association and other anonymous plaintiffs filed a complaint to remedy what they called the government's, quote, unlawful retaliation for their pursuit of lawful and appropriately commenced cases and investigations in their capacity while employed with the FBI regarding the attacks on the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021. End quote. They similarly want court protection from the Trump administration's, quote, anticipated retaliatory decisions to expose their personal information for opprobrium and potential vigilante action by those who they were investigating, end quote. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to conclude it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, as well as share, and please help me reach my goal, the channel goal of 90 subscribers. We're currently at 77 subscribers, which means we only have like 13 more subscribers to reach the goal, and then we have other goals of meeting more subscribers for the channel. Before I do end today's video, I just wanted to say please make sure you guys share and go ahead and if you guys have not yet followed me on my other socials, there I will be posting when I've uploaded a brand new video on both or all three Threads, Instagram, and Snapchat. There is where you guys can be updated the most on when I posted a brand new video, as well as you guys can always hit that little bell icon to click all on the bell icon to get notified when I post a brand new video every time. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.